Hello guys and welcome back. So today we finally have the cheese candy gels. Yay! So if you guys watched my shop with me for ULG, I was obsessing over these cheese candy gels. They're basically like a jelly not shimmer, like a jelly consistency, but not a jelly. Wow, can I talk? Can I? Yes or no? So it's like a jelly polish with circular glitters in it, and they're matte glitters, and it makes it look like cheese except candified with candy colors, and it's everything. So I'm gonna let you know right now, when I was filming this video, I was in a huge rush, so I did not get to do this set exactly how I wanted to. But at the same time, I was also put within a limitation that for this review video, ULG only wanted me to use their gel colors, so I felt that the design was already limited. But I actually like what I came up with. They said I could use whatever rhinestones decorations I wanted to use, so that's what we got going on here today. I'm just using all the colors from this set. This set has 4 different yellow toned cheese candy gels, and everything I'm using will be linked in the comment section pinned to the top. So here I just put on, I'm doing ombre with them if you can't tell, but I have a darker yellow at the top and a lighter yellow at the bottom. Then I took 2 other colors from this set and I'm going to do the same thing, ombre with them, darker on top, lighter on bottom. And it's kind of interesting how they have the colors set up. There's like a mustard yellow, a sunshine yellow, a muted like pastel yellow, and like a very pastel highlighter yellow. And I love them all equally. Like, I can't live without any of them. It's so crazy. I feel like an absolute crazy person when it comes to these colors. I don't know what it is about this combination of glitter and jelly, but it F's me up. It F's my head up. So I did that ombre real quick. It's super easy to ombre with something that's jelly already and glittery. It's just so easy. If you guys want to know more about ombres, I will link all my ombre videos in the cards, the little eye in the upper right hand, and those will teach you in depth about how I do it, how I made my brush and everything. So I'm just gonna do a matte top coat on these. I low-key somewhat regret doing matte because it doesn't show off the speckles as much. You can still see them, but it's not as much. So I would think that if you want to wear the cheese candy look, but you don't want to be too loud and proud with it, go for a matte. It's still stunning. Like, I still love how they look. But yeah, in the next cheese candy videos, because there will be many more to come, I will be doing a shiny top coat only with these. And yeah, I literally did just 1 coat of color because I wanted these to be kind of translucent and sheer. So just a quick ombre thrown on here, girl, because I have to go. I have somewhere to be, and I want this video to be out, and I don't want to take too much time. So I used Presto Matte Top Coat Gel. I probably should have went for my satin matte. It might have helped. So I'm just showing y'all how I clean off the sticky layer from the top coat and how I clean up the sidewalls real quick with my hand file. Nothing too crazy, but I love doing this step. It just makes the final result look really professional and clean. You should probably always do this when you're working with gel. So this is the fun part. Actually, now that I'm looking at the nails right now, I can really see the speckles pretty well, but yeah, I don't know, maybe it's in my head. You guys can be the judge of that. So this is all of the little charms I'm gonna be putting on top. I didn't make any of these. I bought these, and I got these a super freaking long time ago when I used to do Decoden. When you would buy like Decoden charms off Etsy, they would give you some freebies, and they would usually be these really, really small ones. And I never used them. I would like put them to the side, and I never thought I would ever use these. And I was looking through my stuff, and I'm like, what can I use on these cheese candy nails? And I saw these, and I was like, yes, like absolutely yes. We're gonna go 100% kawaii, childish AF. This is my first set of nails I've ever done. Y'all know exactly what I mean when I say that. When you're a budding nail tech and the first set you do on yourself is like super childish and kawaii and cute, I don't know, maybe that was just me. But I think the first sets I was doing were like very, very kawaii, like Gyaru style, like very cutesy, you know, very. So I'm just gonna put a couple of these little charms around. I brought some little CABOCHON roses and stuff, and I just love this aesthetic. It's just so fun, and I feel like I'm doing like a artistic deconstruction of the childish nail, because everyone knows that aesthetic, everyone knows that style, but I don't think anyone's ever been like, okay, this is an aesthetic. Like, we have the mature nails, the sassy, like, you know, office woman mature nails, the bad bitch nails, the ratchet nails, the freaking like jelly nails. Like, we have aesthetics and stuff. We have the glass nails, the extra blinged out nails, but no one's ever acknowledged the childish kawaii AF nails. Like, why has no one ever given her her own space, her own right, her own lane? And that's what I'm here to do today. This is my ode to the old me. The old me would have died for these. This was the kind of stuff that I wanted at the nail shop, and when I realized they couldn't do stuff like this is what made me start doing my own nails, because I wanted this exact type of thing, you know, except made in acrylic, of course. Y'all know there's amazing like nail artists in Japan, or there's some even in LA that I follow, that do like incredible acrylic 3D nail art. Like, they'll make the entire Hello Kitty, the entire My Melody, and give her a custom outfit and everything, and make her little friend and stuff. Like, hopefully you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff I really wanted. But this stuff is so cute. I honestly feel so blessed that I was able to find this stuff for this set, because it just all goes. It's giving me like kitschy. I never have ever used that word, but when I made these, that word literally was popping into my head over and freaking over. And I'm like, why am I thinking of this word? Like, but it's very like, what's the word? Like satire-y? I don't know. But that's not to say that these nails are a joke. They're not a joke, but I don't know. It's just so obvious that it's trying to be kawaii. I feel like because we're now in such a time where like the Instagram look is more socially acceptable. Kawaii has kind of faded in the background. Like, since 2015, no one's really doing this anymore like that. But yeah, I don't know. I still love it. I still love it a lot. So I'm going with some pink pearls and some little rhinestones, because, you know, back in those days, we wasn't using no Swarovskis. We wasn't using big old Cardi B blings, and we wasn't doing all that extra. We had our little humble rhinestones and pearls, and the real nail OGs know what I'm talking about. Y'all know. I know y'all probably got some sets like this. Bust them out. Bust out all the old stuff, because it's still cute. We're bringing it back. You know, trends always come back around, right? Like, the 60s look is coming out. I feel like nowadays, like, everyone's rocking every previous look. Like, even the 2000s era, like Juicy Couture track suits and stuff. It's so crazy, because like when I was in college, I used to buy Juicy Couture and I was obsessed with it, but it wasn't like vintage yet. I don't know. I'm always off trend when it comes to fashion. Sorry, I just hit my knee on my desk. But when it comes to like clothes, I'm always off trend. Like, I need a fashion designer helper or something. I need a stylist. That's what I'm trying to say. This voiceover is a complete wreck, and it's because I'm rushed. If you haven't noticed, I have somewhere to be in like 20 minutes, and I want to get this video rendering. I'm glad y'all are loving the consistency. I'm loving it too. It's giving me life. It's giving me a purpose in life, you know. I was trash, but now I feel like I'm something. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, guys, are you feeling it? Are you loving it? Do you like it? Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these nails. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Have an amazing day or night. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye.